Can I use the bathroom, please? Thank you. It always smells good right here.
Is there a reason why you're recording me? Kind of rude. Hey, don't be taking video footage of our security area, please.
Sure.
You know, when you're recording our security area. I'm allowed to record our security area.
Thank you, sir. Let's take a look at these two security guards. The one on the left, he's been trained. He went hands-on with a couple auditors in the past, and since then he's been trained. You'll see in this video he does a great job. The guy on the right, on the other hand, has not been trained, and
I appreciate that.
is fairly new. It looks like he doesn't even have a name tag or anything on him to identify who he
Appreciate that. What's your
is.
name?
Let's just take a look
Michael.
and see what the difference
Appreciate that,
is.
bro.
All right.
Didn't like that, did he?
Okay, as long as you stay in this lobby.
Yeah, I'm good, bro. I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
Yep, I appreciate it. Thank
All
you.
right, no problem.
He's educating them right now. They don't look very happy, do they? Especially this one. Thanks, man. I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm not here to cause any trouble, so.
Yeah, I know, that's what I told you.
Yeah.
You call me for-
You know what I'm doing here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, bro. You might want to teach your rookie. You might want to let him know.
I told him.
Okay, cool. Thanks, bro.
All right. See you around. Okay. You good?
Yeah. Hey guys, give this guy a shout out. He's doing a great job. Okay? That's his name. There's where he works. Who he works for. There's his face. You guys give this guy a shout out. He's doing an absolute excellent job. Everybody's complaining to you. I know. Thanks, bro. I
Yeah.
appreciate it, man.
All right, no problem. Man, don't make me work. It's almost time
I'm
for me to
sorry,
go.
bro. I mean,
Time for me to go home.
you know, I gotta do it, bro. I gotta do it. You
I
know,
know.
you know what's going
And
on.
I gotta do it too.
I know. I feel you. You're doing a good job, bro. I'll be honest with you. There's a lot of flack about what we're doing.
Yeah, yeah.
And we get a lot of shit from security.
Yeah.
You're doing a fucking phenomenal job, bro.
Thank you.
I mean, honestly.
Thank you.
I'm like kind of blown away. Like the other guy, the younger guy,
Yeah, that's why they do.
you know, and I appreciate it, bro. I really appreciate
No
it.
problem.
Yeah, you have a good day, man.
Hey, you too.
Oh, really? 907, I saw that. You trained him? Well, he's doing a good job today, bro. I'm just calling it as I see it. You know? If he wasn't, he'd he'd be getting a mouthful, but he's doing a good job, man. So, you know, he learned. If he, messed up the last time you guys were here, he learned. And that's what this is about. Education, huh? You know? You might want to just go in there and tell him.
Yeah.
Later, bro.
Alright.
Hey, bro. Hey. You can tell everybody to calm down. I'm out of here.
Okay, alright.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
You don't have my consent to record me, and I
I
appreciate
don't
it. You
need it.
wouldn't infringe my rights of privacy.
I don't need it, sir.
Okay.
You should learn from your boss.
I don't have a boss, I'm on.
Guy upstairs is your boss.
Okay, bye.
Excuse me? You don't need to be rude. I'm not being
You're
rude.
being rude.
I'm not being rude to you.
Okay. You're infringing my rights of privacy. I appreciate it if you quit.
If you need a witness, I saw that he was provoking you guys.
Thank you, I appreciate that, sir.
Really? You saw? Well, so did
Thank you, I really appreciate it.
so did the 1,200 people. They're watching live right now.
Have a good day, sir.
You good luck with that.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
See this guy right here, this is how you should be acting. This guy's doing great. Freaking crappy freaking security. I'm gonna make sure and make a complaint about you. Oh, trust me, you're not gonna say that when you get it.
Okay. Have a good day, sir.
What's your name?
Know your business.
Okay, I'll ask you. I'll ask the other guy. Because I'm definitely making a
This is
complaint. to the other
disgusting
two.
behavior, you guys.
You're acting like a spoiled little kid, dude.
Absolutely disgusting. And he works in City Hall. Wow.
Hey, bro.
So there's no how is the professional program? So in the morning, the green button, you touch it,
Yeah.
Hey, question. What's his name?
You don't.
I want to file a.
That's up to him.
I want to file a complaint.
That's up to them. They don't want to tell you, I can't make them tell you.
Okay.
That's up to them.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Have a Patrick's Day to you too, sir. Oh, did you just take it off? Oh, what an ass. Okay. That's cool. I'll call your supervisor.
God bless you.
You guys have an amazing day. You have a great day, sir. You're like, thank God he's out of here.
Yes. Authority.
Good. Must be security. I don't know who that guy was. Sorry, something about a lawsuit? You say something about a lawsuit? Are you still crying? Freaking crybaby. Are you okay? Do you need a hug?
Will you tell me your name, please, sir?
Do you need a hug? I'll give you a hug if you want one.